Avoid all foods rich in factories that make uric acid, sweetbreads, offal, kidneys, sardines, anchovies, fish roe, sausage, pork. Limit red meats, and quarry, crustaceans, shellfish, spinach, and chocolate. Make cures with alkaline mineral water. Drink up to 3 liters of water per day during 1 week for a detoxifying effect. Detox tip: every morning for 1 week, squeeze half a lemon into a tall glass, add a pinch of grated ginger, a spoonful of honey, top with alkaline water. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. Subscribe to Soul Society for more video and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.